Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I want to show you how to make one of the best superfood coleslaw salad. I say superfood because every single ingredient I'm using in this recipe can be classified as a superfood, especially if you're using my superfood homemade mayo. I've already made a video on how to make it a little while ago, so you can find the link and the recipe in the description below. I'm not here to waste your time, so let's dive right in. First, I'm gonna add to a large bowl 3 cups of sliced white cabbage, then 1 cup of red cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrot, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, 2 tablespoons of erythritol sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and last but not the least, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of my superfood homemade mayo and mix everything in. This mayo has a lot of amazing health benefits due to the type of oils I've used in this recipe. And just like this salad, every single ingredient in this recipe is a superfood. So I highly recommend you to check it out how to make it so you can use it in the recipe for the coleslaw salad. As always, you can find the link in the description below. There you have it, guys. It's a super versatile salad, tastes absolutely amazing, and it goes incredibly well with pretty much any dish. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't be shy to ask me about any questions in the comments, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!